Welcome to Lee Hill Auto Service video series. Here's Mark to talk about our new scan tool.
Hi, I'm Mark with Lee Hill Auto Service, and we're going to talk about the scan tools that will check out your check engine light to find out what is actually wrong with it. Now, I just want to let you know that this piece of equipment right here, we spent over $20,000 on this so we can properly diagnose your car. So the point I'm trying to get to is, do not be fooled by these stores that tell you we'll check out your check engine light for free and then start throwing parts at it. You know what the most expensive part you can put on your car is? The one it didn't need. That's not what we do here. We actually will run diagnostics, find out exactly what's wrong and why it went wrong, and we'll fix it right the first time for you. Thanks. I'm Mark with Lee Hill Auto Service. Come see us.